One may wonder why I would prefer this instead of the comfort warmth of my bed, putting in mind the chaos of the day. I could say it's the inhaling of pure oxygen as the bird sings. I could say it is to witness the first sunrise or experiencing serenity. And if all that appears as lame answers, then I don't know what it is. Anyway, away with the poetry. Maybe it's just the fear of feeling old and weak. I love doing this mainly because it's some me time. That is quality time. So yes, I prefer doing this alone. No competition, no judgment. And here is the brutal uphill. And I have to conquer this baby backwards. Backwards. The undeniable truth of the matter is, there's therapy in this. I mean, Once you merge the early morning sun, these birds, and the clean air, yes, it is a true gift from Mother Nature. Danoa, nimechoka. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.